Oh no, party foul. Man, it look like it's, man, if it rain while I'm barbecuing, I'm gonna be upset. Not too upset though, but better not, don't be rain though. Rain after I'm done barbecuing, I'm back at the house. Do that. You know what I'm saying? Then you can relax, have some barbecues, rain outside, watch a movie, sip on some wine, take a nap. Yeah, I said it, take a nap, that's right. We ain't doing too much today, we taking it easy. Turning, okay. Now, if it was up to me, I'm going to turn right up here and let's see, can I make that ride? Let's see, you go here. I believe you go through this little area here. All right, am I right or am I wrong? Well, we finna explore now. And then, yeah, there go the bridge. Okay, I could have turned in over here. I'm just looking for the bridge. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you can't. Oh, yes, you can. That man over here wild.
Chops you with some sort of personality, specialization, demon.
All right. So I could come out. Okay, that's how we out after that. Got a truck over here. Did it rain over here? We out here at the park with the Onyx. Got the bag of goodies, the little portable barbecue grill. I'm not using the park's grill, I'm using my own grill. Got some food in there. Man, nobody out here. I'm telling you, people do not know about this little park that's out here. There's nobody out here. I'm finna enjoy it. I probably need to turn the bike off. I just realized I left it on. Yes, sir. All right, clip this to my shirt so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so we finna get into the bag. Y'all see what I brought. All right, got the grill right here. Y'all, it's the new grill. Portable, tiny, but it should do the job. All right. Open it up like that. Super simple to open up. Then one is smaller than the other. Go through. Voila. Sit him down like that. Coals go inside there. Then when it starts getting too hot, this is how you can take the grill off. All right, got my food in here, a little paper there. That should be enough. I'll give it one more crumpling. that. Everybody think I'm finna feed it. I don't want none of this. That's enough to get us started. I don't got no food for you. I'm barbecuing for myself. What y'all doing? They all over here like, oh, homie finna throw out some bread? Look, it came from all, they all right next to me. Oh, they making a move. They making a move, huh? Hold on, watch this. This is gonna scare them off. Watch this. Cause y'all getting too close to my stuff. Set the little alarm. They hear that beep. They like, oh. You don't need to be trying to overrun the barbecue. What's happening? Oh, then they coming right back. We hit it again. It don't matter. Fool around, cook one of y'all. Shoot. All right, let's get this fire started. It's probably piping hot now. So, there we go. Woo! All right. Let these coals burn down, and then we're gonna get to cooking. Yo, these chicken thighs gonna be doing their thing. They gonna be doing their thing. Oh boy. So we got some chicken thighs, we got some lamb burgers, and oh, there's something else I brought. I forgot even what I got in the bag. Yeah, this little grill is doing its work. I'm not mad at it. Still, with the Onyx though. I can't wait. Oh no, party foul. What kind of barbecue man is you dropping the meat on the ground, fam? Nah, we good. All right. Got that lamb, no. Oh, it looks like I'm only gonna be able to do 2 at a time. Okay. Thought I can get 3 on there, but it's cool. Don't want no party fouls with the lamb. The lamb burgers, banging. That's all I gotta say. The last thing I brought too much to barbecue with this little grill, but we're gonna do it anyway. Camera swinging everywhere. Bought these at the last minute, little bacon wrap chicken breasts. We're gonna throw these directly on the grill. See what they talking about. I might have to flick these a couple times, but that's all right. Got the bacon wrap. Ooh, let's go with that side first. That's probably gonna flare up because all the fat from the bacon, huh? Then we're gonna catch you again over here with the second one. Put that one right there. Move you over a little bit. All right, let's see how this works. All right, moment of truth. So I put the tin foil over it. Got some rocks down. Onyx still chilling. Let's see what these looking like with the impromptu. Gotta smoke them. Woo, woo, voila. As my dad used to say. Let me flip this. Oh, I think the cheese part stuck though. That's cool. I ain't mad at it. To tell the truth, I think these is done. I'm gonna put that little piece back on there. The one-man barbecue party with the Onyx, it went off without a hitch. Inspired me for some other newer ideas the next time we get down. So let me see. I'm gonna turn around and get out of here the other direction. We in eco mode because when you take off, you want to make sure you are not super high power, especially in all this dirt gravel stuff. So don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Slow and steady with a race on this one. There we go. That's the tip. If you are in gravel, and you're not on regular like concrete or street, when you start the bike up, start it off in eco mode. So you don't spin out in the dirt. Went off without a hitch. Got plenty of barbecue for the rest of the week. And shoot, I'm chilling. I'm gonna be eating good. We eating good today. We eating good today. Let me get over here so I can come out. Yeah, we eat good today. For the rest of the week, rather. Oh, my mirrors is kind of off. I want them side view mirrors looking right. All right. Yeah, successful little barbecue. Man, I got some ideas from that one for the next barbecue. The little secret spot. Well, shoot, you can probably tell if you look at the video where I was at. But hey, I ain't saying nothing. I ain't telling. Nobody behind me trying to get back to the house. What are you doing? You on the wrong side of the... Okay. Oh, you know what we're doing right now. What everybody doing? Get in the bike lane because I don't know what's going on. Nobody behind me. All right, let me get in the street lane. Back to the house. Okay, a little sports mode. There's somebody behind me. Yeah, they behind me. A little sports mode. Woo. I was chilling so long with that the barbecue that I was like, man, what are we doing? He's supposed to stop. Let me go. Anyway. Oh, excuse my language. I'm trying not to curse on the channel, y'all. Trying not to curse. Man, thank everybody for subscribing. Wow, I ain't even... I don't even know what to say. Thank y'all for subscribing. You know, look like my little channel's growing, man. You know, whether it grow or not, I'm gonna keep making videos, but it's cool to see, like, people interested in a little bit of the videos. That's new. So that is just, you know what I'm saying, that's humbling. You know what I'm saying? It's humbling, that's what I'm saying. Train coming? I hear a train. Oh, it's over there. Sports mode, baby. Slow down because over this hill people be driving crazy. But yeah, anyway, thank you everybody that's subscribing. I mean, I appreciate that, man. Like, you know, I'm making the videos just for peace of mind, you know what I mean? So it's fun. I got the bike. Bike costs dumb money. And you know, the pandemic hit, everybody was just at the house feeling like you just trapped in the world, you know what I mean? And the bike kind of like broke me out of that, gave me some freedom, you know what I mean? And I got a really cool piece of transportation. I can go places I couldn't go before. So I'm gonna actually go across. So I remember the last time I tried to go over there, I was gonna make a left over there and go into Jack London, but last time I tried, I remember that it was all bad. The road over there was so bumpy and pothole Philly that it was not cool to ride on the bike. So I'm gonna go another way. Get this barbecue back to the house, lickety split. I ain't even hella hungry, maybe because I was just snacking while I was eating the barbecue. That always happens though. When you barbecuing, when you cooking, by the time you done cooking, you ain't really ready to eat. Don't hurt to be a little generous, let people go. Homie was kind of in the street, kind of like stuck, a little confused. Let him go. I ain't in no rush. Even after I just said rushing to get this barbecue back to the crib, it ain't that serious. So, loving the e-bike life, loving the electric vehicle. Electric vehicle movement is serious. I'm seeing way more bikes out. They may not be Onyx bikes, but I'm seeing way more personal electric vehicles, PEVs out, which is really cool.